Hey, welcome to my channel. It is your friend Sophia Kelly here with you today. If you are brand spanking new to the channel, never seen me before in your entire life, I want to give you a warm welcome and thank you so much for joining today. If you are a returning subscriber, babe, what is up? How you doing? Thank you so much for joining. This video is going to be a little bit different. I've decided I'm going to
spread the knowledge.
Right, I've been doing this whole influencing thing for a couple of years now. I got some years under my belt and I have tons of experience. So I decided I'm gonna start a series of how to make social media your career and to earn from it. I'm a full-time influencer and living the life I never thought that I could dream of having. And I'm happy, so I'm gonna share that with everyone. So if you're interested in learning how to make social media your career and just live your absolute best life, be sure to hit that bell button so you can stay in the loop. Why don't we start off with how to grow your following on Instagram. Instagram. The love-hate relationship that we all have with this social media platform is endearing and
frustrating
all at the same time. It really is. So I'm gonna give you some tips and tricks on how to grow your following on Instagram, and you can also implement them on other social media platforms as well. So let's get into it. First and foremost, whether you're an influencer or you're just posting things about your life and you want more followers in general, you want to make sure that your page is going to be aesthetically pleasing. You want to be posting things that look good to the eye. You don't want to be posting like low quality, super blurry, just like bad quality pictures and videos, unless that's like your style. I don't see why or how that would really be a style, but if that's your thing, go ahead. If it's flourishing, don't listen to me, keep doing what you're doing. But you want to make sure that what you're posting is eye-catching and it's pleasing to the eye. So if you want to go ahead and first clean out your page, like just get rid of things that don't make sense, that are not aesthetically pleasing to the eye, you can get rid of those, or you can just start posting things that are eye-catching and interesting to the eye. The second thing you need to do is post on a consistent basis. Now, everyone's posting schedule is going to be completely different. Like, you do what works best for you and your own life schedule. So whether you're posting every single day, 7 days a week, or you're posting Monday through Friday, or 5 days out of the week, maybe even some days on the weekends, or every other day, or 3 times a week, whatever it is, figure out a schedule that works for you and stay consistent with that. That is going to be very helpful and make things a lot easier in the future when we start building. Now, within the same branch of staying consistent, you can even start a series like the series I'm starting on YouTube, this educational how to be successful as an influencer series. So you can start a series on your page, whether it be TikTok, Instagram. Definitely start a series, whether it's every Tuesday or every Sunday. Make sure you stick to that because your audience is going to be looking out,
oh wait, today's Tuesday, or oh wait, today's Sunday.
So-and-so has this episode that comes out every single Sunday, every single Tuesday. So start a series that will be engaging for your audience and stick to it. Now, in terms of Instagram specifically, when you're posting, post as much reels as you can be posting, because Instagram is competing with TikTok and reels is what is competing. So you definitely want to be posting more reels, and if you can not post any TikTok videos on Instagram, that'll be very, very helpful. Another thing when it comes to posting, you definitely need to know your target audience and who your audience is, what they want to see, and what relates and resonates with them best. So when creating reels, when creating your content, you want to make sure that you're creating content that is going to be in their interest. Building that interest is going to make sure that you have higher engagement, and higher engagement is just great all around. Instagram is getting smarter. So the longer a user is staying on your page, the longer a user is engaging with any piece of content that you put out is better for you. So make sure that you're creating engaging things that really resonate with your audience. A great way to find potential followers is to go through other creators. Actually, think about it. Other creators in your niche have followers for a reason, and if you guys are in the same niche, it's more likely that their followers will also enjoy your content as well. Easy example, right? I'm in the beauty community and I have a lot of friends and peers and creators in this niche. So I could go through their page, go through their followers, click on the profiles that are not private, of course, and this is how you're gonna get their attention. You can like several of their posts, leave a few comments, and this will get their attention and say, oh, who's liking all of my stuff, who's engaging with me? When they get to your profile, hopefully they fall in love and and boom, there you go, you just got yourself a new follower. A lot of times people just don't know that you exist, and so really once you get their attention, you have more of a chance of gaining a follower. Now, this is definitely going to be time consuming, but totally worth it. It's much better than going on random pages and just leaving comments and liking random people's things, because you don't know what they're interested in. So when you do go through your peers and your friends' pages through their followers that are in your same niche, you're more likely to gain those followers because they have the same interests, and it'll be more long lasting because they won't be just following someone random, you know, like they're following you because they have the similar interest. Another way you can target potential followers is definitely going to your page. I'm already in the explore page here. Now I'm looking at content. I'm looking especially for content that is more related to what I do. So beauty, hair, in that category. So I see a lovely beauty video here. I'm gonna go to their page. Now they're posting mainly beauty videos, which is great. Their followers are into beauty. So I'm gonna go ahead and go through their followers, and whoever is public, that's great, thumbs up. So we're gonna go ahead and like some photos to get their attention. You can go ahead and leave a couple comments too. Love the braids. And now this will definitely get this person's attention, and so they're gonna click on my profile, see who am I, who's liking all my pictures. Once they see that I'm also a beauty creator, hopefully they love the content I'm posting, and there you have a potential follower. This next tip may seem pretty obvious, but you'd be surprised at how many people are faking it online. So you definitely want to be authentic, be true to yourself. If you're having a bad day, it's okay to share about your bad day. If you're going through some struggles, it's definitely okay to share that, because there are other people online. Everyone goes through bad days, everyone goes through struggles, and you'd be surprised at how many people can really relate to what you're going through as well. Maybe even offer you tips and will follow you because you guys are going to be going through some things together. So being authentic is something I definitely recommend. Be true to yourself. If you consider yourself an entertainer and you're funny, make entertaining reels. Like, be authentic to yourself, and I promise you, it will work out. Honestly, a lot of people are opposed to running ads, especially on their own content, but I think it's a great tool. So the way Instagram is right now is it doesn't show your content to your entire audience, right? Instagram technically wants you to run ads, and I feel like when you do run the ads, you're able to reach such a broader audience. You're able to reach so many other different accounts that you may not be reaching, and it is not something that I would say you need to do with every single post, but a post that you feel will do well, or a post that is already high in engagement, you can definitely push it just a little bit more so it'll do better and reach even more accounts, and this is how you will gain more followers. The more people that see you, the more potential you have to grow. Alright you guys, that is all for now. These tips and tricks will definitely help you boost your following on Instagram. You can also implement them on other social media platforms as well. You'll definitely see results if you stay consistent. Stay consistent. Listen, I want to thank you guys so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed today's video, found it helpful, go ahead, give it a thumbs up. Feel free to drop some comments down below. What are things that you've done that have helped you grow your own following? If you're not yet subscribed to the channel, I don't really know what it is you're waiting for, because I've been here this whole time and you just here not giving it a subscribe. Go ahead, click that subscribe button, and while you're here, hit the bell button too so you're notified each and every single time I upload a new video, because we got some new things on and poppin', and I'm just so excited to share it with you guys. But that is all for now, and I'll see you beautiful and amazing people in my next video. Bye you guys.